If you ever tried adding a moving platform in Unity, you saw that by default you get this weird result. The platform has a small flicker and also the player doesn't sit still on the platform. Same for the case in which the platform moves left to right. The player simply falls on the ground because the platform isn't working. So we have to fix this, and we need to do that by parenting the player to the platform. So in that case, wherever the platform goes, the player goes with that. We have here the platform that has a small animation that goes left to right and then comes back and so on. So to this platform, we need to add a new script. Let me first stop this one. We have to add a new script that I'm going to call platform fix, new script, create and add. Double click this one, and first I'm going to delete those two using tags. We don't need those. Also, we don't need the start function or the update function, so we need to parent the player when it collides with the platform. So we're going to call the function public void on collision enter, and it's going to complete for us collision. So we have to check which object is colliding with our platform. In our case, we have to verify if that is the player. So I'm going to say collision.gameObject, which refers to whichever object comes in touch with our platform. And I'm going to say collision.gameObject.compareTag. So compare tag, and we search for player. You have to make sure that your player has the tag player. So if it doesn't go here on this drop down menu, select player. Now that we found the player, we can write collision.gameObject.setParent, in fact .transform.setParent, and the parent is going to be our platform, which we are going to reference through gameObject.transform. Close that. So we don't need to have the player parented all the time to the platform. That's not what we want. We also want to deparent the player when it goes off the platform. So public void, when it gets off the platform, we're going to say on collision exit. And this time we're going to say collision.gameObject.parent.transform. I always forget that. Transform.parent. And we're going to set this to null. So it has no parent at all. Save this one. Go into Unity. I also want to go and drag the script on the other platform that I have. In my case is this piston that goes up and down. There we go. It has the platform fix. So now when we press play, we should be able to see that everything is correct and the player goes where the platform goes. There isn't that small glitch, that small flicker that we had at the beginning. So that's perfect.